Hi kids! Have you ever thought that everyday objects we use can become original and authentic works of contemporary art? We're not talking about recycling, but one of the most important art movements in the last few decades, pop art! You're going to travel between Europe and the USA to discover some of the most famous artists and their main works with me. We'll come across Andy Warhol's screen printings, Lichtenstein's comics, Mimmo Rotella's strips and provocative sculptures by Pistoletto. We're going to wrap up buildings in Christo's way, make publicity banners, and we're going to dress a sheep with a tire. Everything will be made by using varying techniques, from drawing to collages, from prints to assembling peculiar materials. Now, all we need to do is spark our curiosity and experience how to be one of the most creative pop artists in the history of art. You ready for this journey?